In this demo, what we're doing is we're showing Power Automate and the ability to create sales orders and updates from Dynamics 365 Sales. First, we're going to start with the flow, and we can open up the flow and take a look at the details here in all of the actions and steps that occur. So first, we look at a row being modified in the orders table from a given organization, and we're looking for adds or modifies. Once we get that data back, we get the products, we send them into an array where we gather up the products and put them into a list. You can see here we're setting those into our variables that will get passed into the WithoutWire call. Down you'll see we're setting delivery date variable, and then of course getting customer records that are additionally needed to pass along for the sales order. Down below here you'll see where we are filling in all the details as they get sent off for the API call for create update sales order. Let's go ahead and look at closing this out. Now I'm going to jump into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales Hub, where we're going to create a new sales order for a new customer. Now this data could flow from any e-commerce system and come into the Dynamics system the same way, but in this case we're going to do manual data entry of a customer number, and name here I guess is going to be, I'm just going to pick one, the best deal ever. Let's go ahead and grab our customer information. These are all the required fields here. We're going to put in a requested delivery date, which will be mapped into the WithoutWire fulfillment request. Then I'm going to have to make sure I put in a price list here. Let's pick default. Hit save, and now I'm going to be prompted for what products I'm going to use on this sales order. And in this situation here, once these products are added on and they get brought into the WithoutWire system, it goes through the normal course of anything around containerization or looking at allocation and reservation. These all would be applied during that import process as well. So let's go ahead and select an example product here. I'm just going to grab this armband. Now let's pick a quantity. I'm going to put in a quantity of 10 and hit save. Once the save record occurs, you'll be able to come out here and see the activity history, the 28-day run history, and you can see here we've got a import that took about 1 second. It succeeded, and it was 10 seconds ago. We're going to come over and look in the WithoutWire system, already logged in here. I'm going to put in my order number, and I can see the order, I can see the customer, and I can click on the details. And that's it. This thing is ready to be picked and ready to go, and as updates are occurring as well, those will get picked up and brought down for any changes before picking occurs.